Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to be unboxing the SwitchBot Hub Mini. It's the color is black on it. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over home automation, some are installing things, getting things set up, unboxings, everything like that. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. So I'm going to unbox the SwitchBot Hub Mini. This is, it works with Alexa, Google, Siri shortcuts, IFTTT, well, 3Ts, and then works with SmartThings, and then Line Clova. And then Smart Learning, you download the SwitchBot app, you point your remote at the Hub Mini, and then press that, so it works with remotes. So all-in-one smart home solution, schedule and timers, control on the go, hands-free with smart speaker. So I'm going to get to getting this open. Okay, so I did an unboxing for a white one. So now this is the black version. So this is what it looks like. Let's get it up. So it's pretty small. Just the back of it. Sides. There's the reset button. So it's pretty nice. Okay, now you've got your user manual, which lists all the steps and lists all what you should get. The only thing that I think that SwitchBot should do is I think that they should put a charger in here to adapt it from the USB to actually a plug. They don't seem to do that. And this is what the plug looks like. It's a USB. And then it's a mini USB on the other end. Oops. And then you just put this in the bottom of it, right there, and then plug it up. Then there you go, it's plugged up. And then you can easily take it out. And then it comes with a little 3M sticky. I don't think there's anything below this. Nope. So that's what you get in the SwitchBot Hub Mini, the package. So I think that's all. So thanks for watching. So I just did an unboxing video for the SwitchBot Hub Mini. I'm going to do a setup video. I plan on it. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need support, you can go down Big Bear Community and join our Discord. It's down in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.